Morning everybody, welcome to Custom Crate Engines. Hey, here's one of our 440s with the triple deuces. We've been getting a lot of comments on this one. It's finally up on a dyno, multi-port, triple deuce, EFIs. And man, let me tell you something, it made some response. This motor just got done making about 555 horsepower, and it made about 602 foot-pounds of torque. That's a lot. That's really fantastic for a 475 build. So these things really do produce a lot more power. You know, we check and test a lot of different things. When we get these multi-port EFIs, you're guaranteed 40, 50 more horsepower than over our regular carbureted standard builds. Hey, anything we can help with, give us a call. 1-800-267-3940. Peace. Man, them things make some crazy power.